Dinner's gonna be ready in 2 hours, sweetie, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Man, I really do not want to eat corns for dinner. What am I gonna do? Oh, I know.
There is no way I'm eating that slimy corn.
Mom, I'm gonna go play Craftman outside with Pearl. I'll be back for dinners. Oh yeah, this will be the perfect spot. Time to make my secret cookie corns. Perfect, cookie candy corns. She'll never even know the difference.
Time for dinner. I hope you're hungry, sweetie.
Oh, I call this one. I want this one, Mom.
My goodness, what happened to this corn?
It probably just didn't cook all the way, but that's okay, Mom. I'll eat it.
Oh yeah, that does make sense, sweetie.
I love corns.
Vegetables.